You know, the closer we get to the election, I realize that emotions are high and everyone has their opinion about who they believe would be the better person for president. But in the midst of all of that, I just need all of you, especially you black folk, to remember something very important. And that is, Joe Biden and Kamala Harris gave your reparations to the migrants.
Shout out to Angry Man, and I gotta confess, how you gonna combat that one? Think of it though. These illegal migrants are getting the red carpet treatment. They getting money, getting special treatment, while we are getting shafted. I mean, we get more shafted than John Shaft could ever give us. As to joke with our reparations, yeah. Think about this, folks. Whether you think that whether they getting, we shouldn't got already, but since we're not worthy of it, apparently certain politicians think that the illegal migrants are more worthy of it than the actual Americans who've been here since day one. Legally, that is. But just me. What would I know?